Recently, detailed guidance for e-invoicing was released by the Zakat, Tax, and Customs Authority, ZATCA, in Arabic and English. This guidance provides more information on the specific requirements of, and a time frame for, each phase during the implementation of e-invoicing in KSA. The first phase of e-invoicing will start on December 4, 2021, when all taxable persons should be able to generate electronic invoices, e-invoices, and electronic notes, e-notes. This includes provisions related to their processing and record keeping, using an e-invoice generation solution that has been verified and approved by ZATCA. The guidance clarifies different matters related to e-invoicing in KSA, the taxable persons who are obliged to comply with e-invoicing, transactions that are subject to e-invoicing, exemptions, and the types of e-invoices. In addition, the guidance states that an e-invoice is an invoice most likely issued for a B2B and B2G transaction, while the simplified e-invoice is designed for a B2C transaction, where the buyer does not need to use the invoice for input VAT deduction. The taxable persons who are required to issue e-invoices must complete their integration with the ZATCA portal. During the integration phase, e-invoices will be sent to the customer only after being cryptographically stamped and cleared by ZATCA. A taxable person issuing a simplified e-invoice only needs to share a copy of the simplified invoice with their customer. There will be no need to integrate with the ZATCA portal, provided that the simplified e-invoices are reported to the authority within 24 hours of issuance in XML format. QR code in base64 encoding for KSA e-invoicing. As per Zakat, Tax, and Customs Authority, ZATCA, of Saudi Arabia, one of the main requirements is the implementation of QR codes on tax invoices in the e-invoicing project, Fatura, which will be mandatory starting December 4, 2021. As per the ZATCA instructions, page number 23, the minimum requirements that must be shown after scanning a QR code are the following fields, which should be represented in form of base64 encoding. 1. Seller's name. 2. VAT registration number of the seller. 3. Timestamp of the invoice, date and time. 4. Invoice total, with VAT. 5. VAT total. In this blog, I will show how to encode the QR data in base64 format using Vb6, Vb.net, PHP and other PL. First step is to prepare each of the 5 values in TLV, tag length value, structure. Tag is fixed, 1 for seller's name, 2 for VAT no, 5 for VAT total. Length is the size of the value field in bytes, it's not the count of characters but how many bytes the value represents. We are about to test our QR code generated base64 encoded. We use apps downloaded from Play Store, e-invoice QR reader KSA.